Teaching is a calling, not just a career. If you have a heart for students with disabilities, Cedarville's nationally accredited special education degree could be the perfect fit for you. This distinctly Christian program will equip you to teach students in grades K through 12 with mild to moderate disabilities and offer you the rewarding chance to show Christ-like love to hundreds of students every year. Hands-on experience and a biblical worldview make Cedarville's special education program unique. As a part of the School of Education, you will be taking challenging, biblically integrated courses and participating in clinical experiences starting your freshman year. Your clinical practice will include over 500 hours of experience in both conventional and distance learning programs with diverse students. Our education faculty will model biblically grounded, thoughtful teaching that will prepare you for your own classroom. During your senior year, your field experience will be integrated with your special education coursework. While you student teach in an alternative high school classroom, you will see how the concepts that you are learning in your courses play out in real life. You will also have the opportunity to observe, co-teach with, and learn from your mentor teacher as they practice the specific tasks of being a special educator. As a graduate of the Teacher Education Program at Cedarville University, you will be prepared to teach in public, private, Christian, urban, and mission school classrooms. Our accreditation status enables you to receive a State of Ohio teaching license for mild to moderate disabilities. This license is transferable to any state in the U.S. if you meet that state's licensure requirements. You also qualify to receive an Association of Christian Schools International certificate. If God is calling you to the field of special education, we hope you will consider Cedarville University.